Okay, I just got the slab today for a new project dining table. It's a pretty big slab. It's 10 feet wide, 10 feet in length, and about 4 feet wide. Now you can take a look how big it is. It's huge, very heavy. That needs to go the slab right now. Huge sheet. Already, C channel has been installed. Both ties are there. Glue is dried, and what I did pour epoxy into the crafts. It's a sanding day today. I will be sanding all the way from 80 to 400 grit, and just stay tuned.